Alright, you ready?
Alright, take 2.
Okay.
Ready? Take 2. Jaeger, cry. Here you go.
No way!
Cry, get your toy. I want that, Allison.
And then I got like the channel can still.
Jealous.
It's cappuccino. It's cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Just pull it out. You can probably
Is this what I think it is?
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah!
Cry, you get little toy. Jaegies. Milk.
Mom, where's this? Mom, where's this?
Which one? Oh, here. Iggy's.
Do I have this one? A Barbie set. What did I get?
Barbies.
A box. That's the 5th box today. Squirtle. Can I feel it? Charmander, my favorite Pokemon of all time, with a silver Pikachu. Pikachu.
This is it, okay?
This is the 4th box.
I know, I disguised them well. Muscles. His face.
Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box. Feels like an Elite Fusion Strike. I saw that. Another one. 2 with a new phone. With Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield.
That'll keep you busy for a while, Colin. I am not picking up Pokemon cards all over the place. I'll tell you that much. Do that again. Creepy.
Oh, I'm gonna put all my Pokemon stuff over here.
Nope, give it back.
That's like Ava. Yeah, it's like the food Ava has. Yeah, like that. I think she used to have that.
Can you see it through that side?
Oh, Eevee's so cute. I like that Dragonite coin.
You're welcome. 2, 1.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
What'd you call me? Andrew, I told you the dogs needed new toys. Whoa, buddy.
Can I help?
Yep. Rip.
No, I don't have to always wear a rip. You need a sweatshirt?
Oh my god, we look rich now.
I love it.
You know why? So I want to make sure they like it.
I kind of forgot what I got him too. I don't have really.
That's what you told me to get.
I know, but my memory is like the chicken today.
Never go wrong with tools.
Did you get this? You told me to get
Now
it first.
I remember.
So it's a first kind of backpack. I like it. I love it. Okay.
These are good if you go on like family trips and stuff. Remember I brought one to Storyland?
I know, now we got another one.
Love it. Thank you. That's beautiful.
Made these?
You have to roll it up a little bit, bud.
Okay, go. Crash. You were just talking about this yesterday.
We are,
Crash.
So we got it so you guys can play together.
That's cool.
So you guys can play together as a
We were
team.
just talking about this. Oh my god. This is so.
O come, all ye faithful, joyful and
you doing? Featuring Colin, Elsie, Daddy, Mommy. Are the contestants ready?
I go first.
Start your one griddle because we don't have any more, and that's the only one that we're gonna end up using and taking turns.
I go
First up is the Collinator. We have different Christmas and I think other weird things in there.
A gnome.
A gnome.
Goal. No, can I do this one?
Yeah, we'll have Dad do a gnome. Ready? Flip. All right, let's see your gnome that you flipped when I was recording.
Sorry.
Gnome. The Grinch.
So why would I do that? Oh no, it's head.
You lose points for that.
It's good.
All right, what about Mr. Grinch?
Okay. Dad,
I actually really like that.
It looks like a frog. Yeah,
It does look like a frog. We're- I'm waiting for you, Santa. Please get ready to flip so I can have my turn
He keeps
to
singing.
draw fruit of my choice.
Keep singing and it's gonna go up in flames.
I'm gonna blur you out of every single video I ever make.
You're just saving your
Did
view.
you see Mark that small of it?
Bring Dave back. Oh no. Is he actually cooking?
Yeah, but that's just gonna. Oh my God, Dad.
Ready, set, flip. Flip it. It's okay.
I'm gonna have to turn my Nintendo.
I gotta be honest with you. I was actually really impressed with your Santa. Now, not so much. Look at your face. Aww. Wah.
Don't slice Santa.
So far, we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, very.
Where's the dome? The whole thing? Well, if I had known you were gonna do that.
Got it all oiled up.
TikToks.
It's a song.
No song, TikTok, anything that has referrals to TikTok.
I'm just gonna sit here and watch TikTok.
No, you're not. Turn it off, Ellie.
Well, I had to check my thing. I got a notification.
I know. We ducking.
I'm hot.
You hot?
Oh, that tea. I just
Probably sitting over a grill doesn't help. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wow. So good.
Alright, get a close-up of Masterpiece.
Thank you, ball guy. He's my favorite.
Masterpiece close-up. Those are grapes.
Dad. This guy named Ball Guy, he's my favorite.
Those are my cookies I made. Came out nice and round like this. Besides what I already bit off.
Yay.
Ellie, should we flash back to what your cookies look like?
No.
Flashback. Those are beautiful, honey.
As he sat there waiting, thinking to himself, will this ever be flippable? Will I make a quality flip? Is my wife the most annoying person in the whole world?
How did you know exactly what I was thinking?
I don't know. Go.
Oh, good. Why
Well.
is that good? I'm gonna move out of the way, mate.
What are you up to? You hit something on. I heard the phone go, and then you looked over at me like, how is she gonna feel about this? Ready? I think they're ready.
No, we're not.
They look it. Scoop it under that bad boy. Flip. Oh, it's cute.
That's awesome. It looks like something from Our Real Monsters. The
I was
purple
thinking the
dude.
same thing. Allie doesn't know what we're
These
talking
kids
about.
don't know what they are, but
Back in my day, we used to watch
This is-
monsters hold on to their eyeballs in cartoons.
This is Bobby. This is Jim.
Bubba Jim.
Bubba Jim. Hit it.
Focus.
There. No, back it up.
Okay, Christmas tree.
There we go.
okay. All right, hold on.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh!
Look at that.
Woo! Nice.
That's a Christmas tree.
Turn it around. Turn it
I
around.
think that's Mom for the win.
No, Jim is the best.
Bad Jim. Oh, it stayed right there. Look, how about, you know what? Here's Jim. This is his Christmas tree, and he's got coal for Christmas. We just created a scene, Marie. Get a close-up of that beautiful Christmas tree. That is beautiful. Solid oak tree-ish pine barbarian.
Okay, you can take that off now and that one off.
I'm admiring it. Did you ever think that pancake art with kids is what you'd be doing someday?
No,
No.
not in a million years.
You never thought that you'd be sitting with a griddle and some pancake art?
That's what?
Especially.
I'm just a get those slacks.